grass is growing and flowers are blooming, and we will have greeny surroundings. I hope it's already spring here in Finland because there is signs that you can see here. The snow melted away, and then always the sun is shining now. And also there's cold air. But last yesterday snowing here, right?
Spring is like, kidding you.
Kidding you. But I hope it's spring already now. Wow. So our day walk today, because it feels like there's a nice sunshine.
So that we are not the whole day there just inside the house. It's good to go outside walking and get fresh air.
Yeah, to breathe fresh air. Even the wind a little bit cold. Somebody also walking there. This is my first spring here in Finland. So I already experienced winter and then spring. So I haven't experienced yet autumn and summer here.
And what is your experience about Finnish spring?
Spring, it was beautiful. The sun is shining and the snow melted away.
Yeah, but then
And
spring can be tricky.
Tricky.
Now it's sun is shining beautifully, but very cold wind, strong wind, and also it can snow more again. So
last yesterday that I thought the sun is shining and then suddenly the rain, the snow coming, and it was tricky. But I hope it's already spring.
I've come so far away from home. There's no way I'm turning back now. My destination is unknown, so I keep pushing, never slow down. Big blue sky, dreams, possibilities. I'm taking a chance to reach for the stars, for the stars. If I fall, then I'll get back up, try again, come back stronger. No walls they built can stop me now.
So in spring, the leaves started to grow again, and then also the surroundings, the trees become so green. But today is not yet, because we are in the middle of spring and winter. All the snow still here, not melted away yet.
Also, then there are of course yellow bricks.
Now going back to our place. It was a great walk.
At first I felt that the wind is too cold. But we survived that.
Yeah, because we have gloves, wearing gloves of course.
I'm not wearing my mahabang panloob. Only boxers one.
It was a nice walk, by the way. We are here near at home, guys, and still the sun is shining. And as you can see, there's still snow surrounds us and started to melting away. Wow, beautiful sunshine. And I think that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in my next vlog. Bye bye.